Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a fraction or type of fraction in your Canva project. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website and then head over to your project. After that, just head over here to the app section and then just type here equation. So after you type equation, you'll see this option here. Just click on it and then click on open. So after you open up that application, just look over for the fraction here. As you can see, here's the fraction option. Just type any numbers that you want to add to your fraction. So let's just write this one and click here on insert equation. So as you can see, your fraction has been added to your Canva project. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.